to the people of Kenya and all our friends throughout the world. It is Easter, a holy period when we solemnly commemorate an extraordinarily intense moment in Christianity, when Jesus Christ endured trial and temptation, hatred and prejudice, violence and punishment, loneliness and betrayal, crucifixion and death. Yet, in the cold darkness of his tomb, after the turmoil and injury, the promise of resurrection and eternal life shone like a light at the end of a tunnel. It is this promise that we live by and live for. Kenya has, over the recent past, endured its share of difficulties and struggles. Weakened economic growth, depleted resources, debt, and drought amidst political disagreement. Nevertheless, we have been given the divine gift of an opportunity to set things right and to get the country going at the right pace, in the right direction. My administration is making progress in delivering its commitments to transform the economy. Rains are here. Once more, there is goodwill and commitment to resolving the issues that affect us as a country. The enduring message of Easter is manifest in our collective and individual experiences as Kenyans in our own different ways. The passage from struggle and adversity to victory and tranquility, from deprivation and want to prosperity and fulfillment, and from anxiety and uncertainty to calmness and peace. In the spirit of fraternity between all communities of faith, I invite all Kenyans and all our friends throughout the world to join Christians in celebrating this eternal assurance of hope. I hope we shall all find and share inspiration from this season of miracles. God bless you all and blessed Easter. Sincerely, William Ruto.